Let's find out what's in these colorful garages by smashing them with a giant hammer. Garage number 1 is the red garage. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Look at this. We found this awesome red car, and it can go probably really fast. Right across there one more time, really fast. Wow, what a neat car. We're gonna set that right over there. Now, garage number 2 is the orange garage. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, smash! Whoa, we got an awesome orange car now. And it can go really fast too. Right on top of the other garages. And then back the other way. Whoa! And we'll set them right there together. Garage number 3 is the yellow garage. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, smash! Wow, look at this, it's a monster truck. Monster truck, it's a big yellow monster truck, and it can drive all over the other cars. We're gonna set that one right here on that yellow piece. Now, garage number 4. I wonder what's gonna be in there. Let's find out. 3, 2, 1, smash! Oh, it's another monster truck, but this one's a little smaller monster truck. Look at those tires go really fast there. Wow, it's just wrecking garages. And we'll set that right there. Garage number 5 is the blue garage. 3, 2, 1, smash! Wow, a police car. Look at this police car. And the doors can open on both sides. And we can shut both doors. And it can drive really fast. And we'll park it right over there. Now, garage number 6 is the pink garage. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, smash! Oh, wow, we have a pink boat. Look at this boat, it can go blub, 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 blub. And it can go on the water, and we'll park it right there. Now, garage number 7 is the purple garage. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, smash! Wow, a choo-choo train. We've got a purple train, and it can go chugga 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 choo 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 choo. But that was only 7 garages. We need to build 3 more to get to 10. Let's do it. Now we have 3 really big garages, and we're gonna smash this one right over here. Now garage number 8 is right here. 1, 2, 3, smash! Whoa, what vehicle did we find? Oh, this is a big fire truck, and you can raise it up really high. Wow, and it could drive around, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. What a great fire truck. And we'll lower that down, and we're gonna set it right back over there. Garage number 9 is right here, and we only have 1 more after that. Let's smash this. 3, 2, 1, smash! Wow, we've got a tow truck. And this tow truck can tow all the other trucks around, and it can take them to the garage, and then it can back them up, and it can lower them down. What a great truck. We'll park that right there. Now our last garage left. Garage number 10. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, smash! we've got another tow truck. Look at this one. This is a big blue tow truck, and the doors can open on each side, and this door can open right there. Wow, and you can pull out this, and you can wind it back up to tow the cars in, and you can pull it back out again, and then we can wind it up, and we can pull the cars up on the flatbed and take them to the repair shop. That was so fun smashing garages and counting to 10 with you guys. Can't wait to see you next time.